Welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I am rocking a new water wave unit. This hair is brought to you by Yolissa Hair company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit and install this unit. So if that's something you guys are interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this box, I received a couple goodies like a wide tooth comb, some eyelashes, 2 head wraps, an edge control brush, an elastic band, a wig cap, as well as a silk bag. This unit is a 24-inch at 180% density water wave unit. She is a HD lace frontal unit at a 13x4 lace wig with adjustable straps and combs. So I am trying out a new method of bleaching knots. I'm still taking my Blonde Me 30 volume developer and powder, and the new product I'm using is the Adore Me eggplant color. I'm gonna put a couple drops in there to just make sure. I don't know, I seen this on TikTok and I just had to try it. You know, I'm always trying to experiment and see the perfect method to bleaching knots, you guys, and I think I found it. I kind of over bleach these knots as well. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've been over bleaching knots lately and it's just been a mess, but I think this method works really good. Just don't leave it on for too long. So here I'm just washing out the bleach. I left this on for a little bit too long, you guys, but look at this. The knots are like gone, like non-existent. So this method definitely works. Definitely try this out and let me know that it works for you. I seen it on TikTok and it was just giving scalp, okay? Giving very much scalp. Look at how big those knots are. Yeah, I left it on too long, girl. But I finished it off with some purple conditioner and silicone mix and let that sit for a little bit and wash it out and let it air dry. So this is the next day, air dried. Here I am doing Arrogant Taste method with the white towel so we can see how the scalp is going to look on our head. This is just the perfect, you know, method of plucking this unit, and it was super easy to pluck because it was an HD lace with a natural hairline, so I didn't have to do too much plucking. But yeah, girl, it's giving scalp, period. So here I am with my cap on. We're just going to use some concealer and just do the regular cap method. We're not doing the bald cap method this time, but you guys already know how I install my units. Hopefully, if you know, you are OG. If not, girl, I have the 2021 version already uploaded for something super detailed. Everything will be linked down below. I'm going to stop talking and let you guys vibe out to some good music because I love when you guys, you know, vibe out with me while I'm installing this unit. So enjoy.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere, girl. Look in the mirror, man. You so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face.
I hope you enjoyed this song just as much as I did, girl. Such a vibe. But this is basically it in how I styled this unit, even, you know, fixing my over bleached knots, and everything will be linked down below with all the products that I used. I love water wave units on me. It's just super easy to maintain and it just gives that oomph. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video.